In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a pie chart in Google Sheets. We'll start by opening your Google Sheets and going to the spreadsheet where your data is already stored. Before you create the chart, make sure the information you want to visualize is clearly organized, because pie charts work best when you're comparing parts of a whole. Once you're in the sheet, click and drag to highlight the data you want to turn into a pie chart. This usually includes the labels in one column and the corresponding values in the next column. Taking a moment to select the correct range is important because Google Sheets uses that selection to build the chart automatically. With your data highlighted, go up to the top menu and click Insert. This menu contains the tools for adding visual elements to your spreadsheet, including charts. After that, click Chart. Google Sheets will generate a chart for your selected data right away, although it may not choose a pie chart by default. When the chart editor appears, look for the Chart Type drop-down menu. Click on that drop-down to see the different chart options available. From the list, choose Pie Chart. As soon as you select it, your chart will update so the data is displayed in pie chart format. Next, click the option to use row 1 or 2 as headers if that box is currently unchecked. This step helps Google Sheets correctly identify your category names and display them properly in the chart. If your labels are in the top row, enabling headers makes the chart easier to read and more professional looking. At this point, you can edit anything else you want on your pie chart. For example, you can adjust the title, change colors, or refine how the labels are shown. This is a good time to make sure the chart is easy to understand at a glance. Simple formatting choices can make a big difference, especially if you're planning to share the chart with others in a report or presentation. Once everything looks the way you want, go to the top right corner of the chart editor and click the X to close it. Your pie chart will stay in the sheet, and you can still click on it later if you want to make more changes. And that's it. You've successfully created a pie chart in Google Sheets. If your chart doesn't look quite right the first time, double-check your selected data range and header settings, since those are the most common things that affect the final result.